Dices on the beat.
You love it when I call your name, Daddy, Daddy. You love it when I make it rain, Daddy, Daddy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys seen by the title, we're gonna be talking about this Amazon hair. It's 13 by 6 and I think it's 150% density. Everything will be down below in the description box, period. And you guys are gonna see me customize it, bleach it from when I first got it and everything. I wouldn't have thought that this hair would actually be turning out pretty cute, but it did, and it's so soft. Put some little curls into it. Like, I'm always doing long hair. How long it really is, right? But it's really cute, guys. OMG, like 13 by 6, period. Enjoy the video, and yeah, see you later. So you guys see that I got the package. I think I ordered it on a Friday and it came on a Monday, super fast. Shout out to Amazon Prime. The hair was actually really nice. The body wave felt nice. I was like, damn, this is kind of short though, but I knew I was getting 18 inches, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna work with it and see what we could do.
Dices on the beat. Digits on the beat.
After this, I'm gonna have to take a shower. All this hair. So this hair is from Ucrown hair from Amazon. It's a 13x6 frontal, but I didn't really lay down my frontal like that because it's nighttime right now and I'm too lazy. It's lace front wig, Brazilian body wave, human hair wig for black women. I don't know why they always say for a black woman, like why. And it's 150% density. It's pre-plucked with baby hair and it's 18 inches. It was only $93.99.
When I really order it, I was kind of skeptical, but more than 609 people bought from this vendor, so I was like, you know what, let me give it a try.
This hair is so cute. It does shed a little bit, but not as much, like not like crazy shedding. Like right now I did a little bit, like one strand came out just now, and like playing with the hair, like the shedding is not a lot, like it's minimal, which is great, you know, for $93. It's really nice. Like it's not heavy. I feel like it's not full, but it's full, if you understand what I'm saying. Like this is one side, right? Like it mimics a real person's hair, which is perfect, and that's what I needed. I did like a few baby hairs right here, and if you see my foundation not matching my skin, it's because I'm doing this at night. Keep the comments to yourself. Like, look at this hair, guys. It's so cute. Like, it's 18 inches. I did cut a little bit at the bottom, not as much, but just a little trimming. Y'all saw that in the video. And I will give this like a 9, honestly, like or an 8, like between an 8 and a 9, because this hair, it's popping. Like, it's not bad. And especially if you're a college student and you don't want to waste a lot of money, this is what you go for.
OD soft. Like, it's so soft. Like, I don't understand. Like, another strand came out, so that's like 2 strands. We're playing with the hair.
I bought this with my own money, no sponsorship, so you could trust my judgment. And yeah, guys, please buy this hair. Like, this is really cute and really nice, and it's so soft. Like, it doesn't feel cheap. Like, period. Like, look at these curls. Like, guys, this is so cute. But yeah, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Get to know me and I'll get to know you. Follow me in all my social media, period. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.
We stay improving, far from broke, so we ain't never losing. And it's we the best and we stay improving, far from broke, so we ain't never losing.